Hi, welcome 7th grade students and families. This is Mrs. Cook, and today I'm showing you how to log in and navigate our Holes Digital Essay Hub. First, we're going to go up to the search bar and we're going to type in classroom.google.com. Next, we're going to go up to the top right and we're going to hit the plus sign and then select Join Class. This is where you will type in our custom invite code. Once you have typed that in, you will come down to the bottom and you will hit Join. Once you have joined, you are in. So you will go make sure that you are on the Stream tab. You will scroll down and you will see a welcome message from me along with my contact email. So if you have any questions or concerns throughout this project, please reach out. Next, you are going to go to the Classroom tab. This will be where all sources, all information, and any materials that you are looking for this project will be in this tab, the Holes Argumentative Digital Essay Project tab. This is where the magic happens. So you'll find links to our Pixabay database, you'll find a link to our class Padlet board and our grading rubric, as well as presentation checklist, Pixabay instructional tutorial, and the 2 assignments that we'll be doing throughout this project. Now, we will also have the actual submission for your digital essay. And when you're ready to turn it in, you'll just click this tab, and this will be where you will turn in your assignment. If you have any questions or concerns, just feel free to reach out and I will get back with you. Thank you.